Hazrat Abu Zar Ghifari radiyallahu anhu states, I came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he was asleep wrapped in a white sheet. I again came later, but he was still asleep. Third time when I came, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was awake. So I sat beside him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whosoever says there is no worthy of worship saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and then expires on this very belief will enter paradise. I submitted, though he commits illegal sexual intercourse and larceny. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, though he commits adultery and theft. I repeated this question thrice, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave the same reply. The fourth time, in reply, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, though he commits adultery and theft, he will enter paradise. Throwing dust on Abu Zar's nose. Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu went out repeating, throwing dust on Abu Zar's nose. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 269.